Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you this new function about lighting about this surface one and sphere. So surface one there's horizontal and vertical. Sphere got phantom and solid. Alright. For horizontal it will do something like this, which is when you click out it will do something like this. Then vertical you can be what are vertical if you want. You can rotate also. Okay. You can rotate. Yeah. Okay. Then elevation, brightness, temperature, yeah, it's all in here. Okay, affect specular, you can affect the object specular, right? The height, okay, this is if you want to make it everything the same lah. Alright, so for an instant, this is on this height and this is on this below this height. If I want to make them same height, see, it will affect. Okay, then temperature will be the temperature of the lighting and the brightness. So once you click, it will become everything same. See, something like this. Okay, see your effect. Okay, if I untick, it will affect one. Right? If I tick, yeah, everything will be affect. Huh? Okay. Then for sphere source, there is phantom and there is solid shadow. Okay. So I'll do a test here and show you guys. So this one, I will. There's one like this. Okay. So render one side. Okay. This is one side like this, and this is two side. Okay, then as for sphere, okay, this one will be phantom, solid shadow, and solid shadow. What's the difference between this is for phantom shadow will be like more like spread out at the edges. Solid will be much more like you can see the solid shadow instead of spreading out. Okay, once I render finish, I'll show you guys. Okay, here are the end result. See, as you can see, no difference between when inside the wall. For outside the wall, this one much more spread out. This one much more not that spread out. Okay. Then as for light, this is two-sided, and this is one-sided. Okay. So this is for the new lighting lah. Alright. See, one is inside, one is outside. Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Okay. Bye.